Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to approve time logs in Zoho Projects. All right. So first up, go over to settings. Make sure that you have set up your time logs approval. Okay. Click on manage users right here. Go to your profiles. There you go. And under time logs or timesheets, you can go ahead and edit the permissions right here. So for time logs, for employees, they cannot approve their own time logs. If you enable this one, well, they can just easily add in some time logs and it will be auto approved. Just make sure that either admin or the manager can enable it. As you can see here, in my case, only me can approve time logs. Okay. And once that's set up, no need to click on a save button as it's automatic. So just go home right here, click on time logs, and go ahead and use this slider. Check the pending time logs. Okay. Just go ahead and click on it and just click on approved. All right, there you go. Click on approved or reject and write down the reason. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.